Of course, no discussion of hiccups would be complete without mentioning the countless home remedies people swear by. From holding your breath to drinking water upside down, from eating a spoonful of sugar to getting startled by a friend, everyone seems to have a favorite cure. But do any of these actually work? The answer is maybe. Some methods, like holding your breath or breathing into a paper bag, increase the amount of carbon dioxide in your bloodstream, which can sometimes calm the diaphragm's erratic spasms. Others, like drinking cold water or swallowing something sweet, might work by distracting the nerves or resetting the body's rhythm. But the truth is, scientists still don't fully understand why some hiccup cures seem to work, while others fail miserably.